Hi, and welcome to Tashi's Treats. I'm Tubed in Tashi, and right now we're going to be making a little bit of a shortcut chocolate mousse for our dessert. I have put my mixing bowl and my whisk in the freezer for about an hour while I was making my other meal. I'm going to go ahead and pour some heavy whipping cream in my bowl. I'm just going to add some simple chocolate pudding to it. Chocolatey. We're going to go pop this on my machine and I'll let you watch it spin around. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get this whipping. Let's whip it good. Okay, we made our beautiful mousse. We filled up our bag. It's a little bit full. And now we are going to pipe this beautifully inside of our cups. Well, here we go. Some beautiful, beautiful milk chocolate mousse. I'm going to put just some sprinkles on it because I think that makes it look pretty and it's a little Valentine's-y. Now you could serve this with a cookie, with some little muffins, some little anything you want. It's actually quite rich and delicious just the way it is. Have a wonderful day and come back safely to me.